So what I will do, I will trace the program. I'll write tracing of d2.java and I will paste the code. Okay, everyone please concentrate here for next 5 to 10 minutes. So you know that always the execution will start from where? Always from the main method. This first will get called. I'm not discussing about this first one. I am discussing about the second one. Second statement which I have written. So you can see when this method will get called, what will happen? When this add23 will get called, what will happen? Compiler starts searching for the same method signature in which area? In the class area. So it will start searching, the control will go to and the control will go to which one? This one. So what will store in the A? 2 is stored in the A. What will store in the B? 3 is stored in the B. Now this is the operation. What is the operation? C is equals to A plus B. What is A plus B? And 5 will be stored in the C. Are you guys agree with that? Understanding till this much? C is equals to 5 will be there. Yes. Okay. After that, you can see what is the next line? The next line is this one. Print sum is and C. So what will be the output? Output will be sum of, and what is the value of C? That is 5. Okay. After that, very important thing. What is this? Return statement. What is this? Return statement. It means this method will return 500 to the caller method. Who is the caller method? Who is the calling method in this program? Tell me, who is the calling method in this program? Main is the calling method in the program. Correct. Who is the called method? Yes or no? Okay. It will return 500. So what this will do? It will return this 500 to whom? To this statement. Yes or no? For the return type, there is only two things. What is that? Directly use. My first question, am I directly using the value of return here? Am I directly using the value? No, you are not directly using. That is only method call. Okay. Am I storing any value? I am storing this return value. If my friend give me 500, two option. Either I'll spend it immediately or I will save it. Am I saving it? Is there is any variable you guys can see? No. So this 500 will get waste. Yes or no? This will return, but you are not handling that return. That is the reason 500 will not get printed or nothing will get happen. Understood this one? Okay, please take the screenshot of this one. Responsible pupil. Take it quickly. Understood. Now next thing. What is that next thing? Next will be, sir, what sir if you store? Okay, now I will store. It will return me what? 500. How to store? What is 500? What is the return type? Int. means 500 value will be written of type integer. So you have to store it in the integer called as res. It is just a name. You can take wxy whatever you want. Now if you try to print res, what you will get? Whatever the value who comes in the return, that will be stored in the res. If you try to print res, what you will get? 500, yes or 7? Who is telling this 7? Mahesh? 7, how will you return? There is no concept of 7. You tell me, will 7 will ever get returned? No, not at all. 7 will never ever get returned, because what is the return we have written? That is 500. Okay, let me comment this two line. What is the output you are expecting? You are expecting the return value as 500. Are you storing this in the res? Are you storing it? Yes. If you store it later, you can use it with the help of the name. So I'll save it. I'll just compile the program one more time. I will write Java C d4.java. I will write Java d4. Are we getting the 500? Look at here. Are we getting the 500? Yes. Do you want me to trace this program also? Simple. This is what ed called. What it is returning? 500. Who is storing 500? Res. What you are printing? The stored value. Remember my example, Bablu story yesterday. Yes or no? Yes. Are you guys clear with the return type? Okay. So this is what the return type. Either you can store it. Now, what are types of value you can return? What is the return type? The different types of value. Yes. So, sir, we can return value back to the main method only. No, it is not the main method, Pratibha. It is what the caller method. In our case, only two methods are there. If you make one more, that depend on the caller method. That is calling method. Clear? Okay, so what is the return type? Return type means the different types of value that a method can return. So there is two types of value. Can you guys tell me what are the two types of value are there in the Java? That is primitive values. What is that primitive values? Byte, short, int, long, float, double. Second, it will return what? Non-primitive values. That is string and all those things. And what is void? Void is a keyword. If you give void means what will happen? It will not return anything. Are you guys getting this one properly? Okay, if you understood, I'll give you one program. So what I'll do, I'll create one more program D5 and you have to do it. I will not solve it. You have to do it. To do it properly, I will write D5. I will return A, will change character, and yes, this one. Yes, you have to check this program whether it will give output, it will give error. If output, what output? I will give you 5 minutes to do that program. Then we will move for the next topic. Okay, done everyone. So let me compile this program. That is Java C d5.java. I'll execute it Java d5. What is the answer we are getting? Sum is 195 and A. How many of you are getting this answer? Please write Y in the chat section. How many of you are not getting the same answer? Please write N in the chat section. Okay, let's try to do that. What is the problem in this one? So this is my program. Okay, what is that? Simple it is. Look at this one carefully. This is what the method called statement. Whenever method called statement will be there, the transfer of control will be from calling method to the called method. So where the transfer will go? The transfer will go to the called method. Okay. Where it is? It will go there. It will go there. Then it will go there. Then it will go there. Okay. What is this one? What you are passing? Character. Yes or no? Character. What you are taking there? Are you taking character here? No, you are taking character to integer. Is character to integer is possible? Is character to integer conversion is possible? Yes, possible. ASCII value of capital A will be 97 and capital small b will be, sorry, that is 98. So now what will happen? Instead of A and B, 97 and 98 will get placed. 97 and 98 will get stored. Now, what is the first operation? First operation is A plus B. What is A plus B? What is A? 97. 97 plus 98. How much it is? 195. So 195 will be stored where? In the C. After that, what you are doing? You are printing the C. So it is printing the sum is and whatever the value is in the C. What is the value in the C? You can look at here. This is the value that is stored in the C. So what it will print? Sum is 195. Now, very important. What is that? Next statement is return statement. What is the next? That is a return statement. Return means what it will return? It will return A. To whom it will return A? It will go there. It will go there. 1 second. It will go there. It will go there. It will go there. And this entire, what it will do? It will return what? Capital A. So what this will return? This will return here what? Small a. Sorry, character A. It will return. What it will return? Character A. So what this statement will become? System.out.println print A. So what will get printed? A will get printed. Are you guys understanding? Yes, those who are answer is not correct. Okay, please take the screenshot of this one. Okay. If you understood this one, now I am having one more program. What is that program? I will create B6 and uh, let me do that. You understood everyone the last one? Can you guys tell me the output of this program first? Already we are done with this one. What is that? Array. Remember array? Tell me, okay, this one and also the value of this one. Tell me everyone, I want answer from each and everyone. Yes, what is the answer? Let me compile the program. It's simple. Yes, already we have done this one. D5.java and yes, Java D5. Sorry, it is D6. Yeah. What I have not stored. Oh, D6. Here I am writing. Java B6. Yes, I hope everyone is having the correct answer. Yes, is there is anyone whose answer is incorrect? Incorrect people, please write in. I want to see your faces. If your answer is not correct, means really you are not at a good path of learning Java. You are not in the correct path of learning Java. Okay, what is the purpose of this one? Please check your internet connection, Pratibha. Okay. So what is my purpose of this program? Now I want to check, sir, I understood how to pass value, sir, but can I pass array as an argument? If yes, then how? How can I pass entire array as an argument? So please observe carefully what I will do. I will just make one program. I'm making one program. With the help of this program, we will understand two things. What program I'm making? First, I'll show you. That is, write a program to print the sum of all element of a array. I'm telling you, very important program. If you give any of the interview, they will ask this question. So I am making one program that is sum of all the element that is present in the array. And also with the help of the same program, we will get to know, can I pass the array as an argument? Both answer you will get by the end of program. But let's first talk about the logic of that program. So it's very simple. Okay, I'm having one array. This is one array. Quickly, I'll make the array. So this is my array. Let's say it is of length 5. This is one my array, and let's say about the index that is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you guys tell me the length of this array? 5. Yes, the length of this array is 5. Now, what is this program is all about? This program is all about to find the sum of the elements. Let's say there is 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So what your output should be? Your output should be the sum of all this element. That is 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50. Can you guys tell me what is the sum of all the elements in the array? $150. Yes or no? $150. Yes. That will be the $150 will be your output. Now, if you observe it very neatly, what is the logic for that? I'm telling you the logic. I will take one variable called as sum, and initially I am assuming that the sum of my array is 0. Listen it very carefully. What I am assuming? I am assuming the sum of my array is 0. Then I will add 0, which is my sum, and the value that is present at the 0 index. What is the value present at the 0 index? 10. Yes or no? So what will be the sum? Sum is 10. I will update the value of sum by how much? 10. Now I am assuming the sum of my entire array is 10, and I have just traversed only one element. Now I am getting this 10. Now what I will do next? I will add this 10 with the next element 20. So what is that? I will add the next element, that is 10 plus the next element. What is that? 20. What is I am getting? 30. I will update my value of sum as 30. Now I will think that my entire array sum is 30. After that, what I will do again? Can you guys tell me? I will add this 30 with the next element. So I will sum this 30 and the next element, that is 30. So what is the last sum we are getting? 30. 30 plus 30 become 60. I will update the value of my sum as 60. Now I am assuming my entire array sum is 60. Is my array end? Is my array done last? No. I will add this one from the next element, 40. What it will become? 60 plus 40 become 100. I am assuming that my sum is what? 100. Yes or no? After that, what I'll do? I'll again add this 100 with the 50. 100 plus 50 is 150. Are we getting the sum 150? Yes or no? So if you observe this thing very carefully, what is the condition I am writing? If you observe this one, what condition we are writing? For what condition this everything is going on? It is going on in one condition. What is this 0? 0 is what? Sum. Correct, Ramakrishna. Next, what you are doing? You are summing sum plus a of I. Understood, guys? What is that? So please take a screenshot of this one. Now we will write the code for this logic. Clear? Take a screenshot of this one. Responsible people, do it quickly. Okay. Now, let us go for the coding part. So what I'll do, I'm creating one method, let's say public static void and add. What this will do, I will write it here, it will perform the task. What task? Will sum all the elements of present inside array. Okay, that I will code later, but what I will do first, I have to define one array. I will say int a is equals to, I will give the array. Two options are there. I am using the first way. That is 10, 20, 30, 40 and the 50. Now, what I will do, I will call the method called as add. And I will pass the address. Can I pass the array object? No. Why should we pass the array object? We can give the address only. So what I am passing in the reference variable? In the arguments A. What is in the A? The address of the object. Now this A will be, this is what? Address. Can I write like that? Can I write like that? Look at my formal argument and tell me, can I write like that? No. Because this is variable, sir, we cannot store the address in variable. What we require? Reference variable. Yes, then what I will do? I will create the value sum and I will create one loop, that is for int I is equals to 0. I should be less than what we are passing here. Look at here A, or you can write B. Better you write B. So what I'll do here in this one, I will write B dot length B plus plus. After that, what I'll do, sum is equals to sum plus a of I. If everything will be there, what I will do, now I can return the value also, or I can print it. So I will do one thing, I will print it here only. What I'll print? Sum of array is what? The sum variable. Yes, that is I. Yes. So if I save this program and if I compile this program, can you tell me what is the output we are expecting? What is the output we are expecting? $150. Already we have seen, we have tried to create the logic for that. So I will clear the screen and I'll compile it one more time. Oh, it's not A, it's B. See what is the address we are taking in the B. So that's what B it is, not A. Okay, I will write Java D6. Are we getting the correct output? Yes? Yes or no? Everyone understood this program? So two things are clear. What is that? What is present inside the A? Address. Remember the memory diagram for this line. What is in the A? Address of that object. What we are doing? We are passing that address. Whatever is in the A, we are passing in the B. So if we make one small diagram for that, how it will look like, I'll show you. Okay, this one. So this is one array object. You can see this is our array object. I will store the variable here. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. This is the index 0. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the index? 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is 0 index. Some address will be there at the rate 100 or 110. That address will be storing where? In the variable called as A. What is there in the A? At the rate A 110. That is the address of this one. Array object. This A is pointing to which one? A is also pointing to this one. Now you have passed in the B. Look at there. You have passed in the B. You have passed what? A. What is in the A? The address. Where you have passed in the B. So what is in the B? The same address will be passed in the B itself only. There it is passed in the B. Now B is pointing to which one? B is also pointing to same address. Are you guys getting? Everyone, are you guys getting this one? Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. Please do it. I'll give you. Don't take this program lightly. I'm telling you, if you take the program lightly in interview, program will take you lightly. Done, everyone? Done. Okay. Have you guys written the notes for recursive method? D1, I guess you have written. D2. D2 you have written, yes or no? Have you guys written till D2? Okay. So please write note. Have you guys done with this question, everyone? Whatever the question I am discussing here, assignment, these all are interview question. Don't take it in light sense. Okay, write down the heading as recursive method. Oh, like it is recursive method. Write down in the definition method calling method calling itself is called as recursive method. Second point you will write down as note. In order to stop the recursive or infinite loop of the method, we need to use this condition. Yes, done this one. These 2 points. Then write down the program called D3. Done, everyone. There's 2 points for recursive method. Okay. Write down this program called as D3. What is the base condition? This is the base condition which you are seeing. You can use any condition to stop that. That particular condition is called as base condition. Okay, first write this one, Sachin, leave some space, then I'll show you the previous page. Yes, Kalpesh. Done, everyone? Okay, if you are done with this one, write down as some terms it is, that is what is method call statement. You can write here the process of transferring the control from calling method to call method is known as method call statement. Okay, if you are done with this one, please write heading as return type. Please write about what is return. So in the return, return, Okay, what is written? First of all, it is a keyword. Second, it is a control transfer statement. Third, we can use return inside the method. Fourth, return will stop the execution of the current method and transfer the control back to the caller method. Back to the caller. What is a caller? Nothing but calling method. You will write, guys. I'll come in 1 minute. Okay, we will write for how to design the return type. How to design the return type. So for the design, what we need to do is the first thing is return type should be anything other than void. Other than void. Okay. In the bracket, you can write in the bracket you can write void means nothing. Hence the method return nothing. Hence the method returns nothing. Yes, second point for that. Second for that is what data to be written, what data to be written by the method based on that, return type of the method is chosen. Third point, you can write return type can be primitive, or that can be primitive, that is byte, short, int, long, float, doubles, double, char and boolean. And also it can be which one, as well as it can be non-primitive also. What is that non-primitive that we will discuss? But right now you can write string and array. Lot of things. Clear? After that, you can write down one note. What is that note? Note is if the return type is anything, other than void, then it is mandatory to use return statement along with the literal or expression, along with what is should be small, return, literal, or expression. Already we have discussed what is expression and everything. Yes, please write down this one. Done. Write down everyone. Please write all these points. Wonderfully written by me. Done everyone. Done. Okay, if you are done, then go for this program. Where is that? D4. D5. 1 second. What is that D4? Yeah. Go for that D4, guys. Write down this example as D4. Done, everyone? Okay, guys. So start preparing for your mock. I'm telling you, mock will be very soon, and I will update you in the Skype group for the mock. You can expect your mock in the coming next week, maybe on Monday also. So be ready for the mock. Syllabus is from starting till the class of Saturday. Understood? Yes. So be ready, start preparing, and yes, I'll post some assignments also. Do that and make sure that you guys are revising before coming to the class every day. Okay. Responsible pupil, please share the screenshot. And yes, sir, mock will be offline. Yes, that will decide. It will be offline or online. How many of you are there in Pune itself? Write P in the chat section. Can come for offline mock. Okay, we'll decide. We'll see and we'll do that. Yes, okay, guys. So that's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Please revise everything from starting to the concepts. Okay, yeah, fine. Bye bye. Good night. You can leave the session.